Hey guys, thank you for joining us again, Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you how to install the rear dash cam on the Range Rover Sport 2016. We've seen the same thing on the Jaguar F-pace models, and we've seen that also on the new Range Rover Velars and a few other of those models. There's a problem with the rear windshield, that this is all attached to one piece. It's not like a piece of plastic like other trims that can come off and easily be installed. Now the problem is, if you want to run the camera, and if you want to put it here and you want to run the camera, you need to go through the vehicle harness. And the problem is that if you try from here, or if you open any of those covers, run the wire, you will get to nowhere. It will get stuck, it will reach nowhere. And the reason is very simple. As you can see, we actually removed the rear spoiler, and the reason we removed the rear spoiler is the wire that we have seen on the other side is actually coming to here. So if you try to run the wire from inside there, you will get to nowhere. You will get into maybe there's a cavity in here, but you won't be able to go through here, run the wire, and go through here. So again, that is where you want to have the wire running. So we have removed the spoiler, and now we have accessibility to put this wire here, run it inside, run back in here, and then go back to the windshield area. And this is the way you're gonna put the rear camera. It's a bit more tricky than other cars. We've seen a lot of places that are basically what they do, they just put the camera in here, which is easier for them. That can be nice. The thing is, this is fabric, so the way to hold the camera, you're gonna have to either put some material or glue or maybe even a screw. Second thing is, it's a bit far from the windshield, so you get some of the picture blocked. If you want to have it direct on the windshield, it should be here. So this is the way to install the rear camera for a dash cam on a Range Rover Sport 2016. As I said before, it's also valid for the new Range Rover vehicles and also for the Jaguar SUVs. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.